Alright, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video. Today we're still working on this 2011 Buick Enclave, and the other complaint that this vehicle had was that the mode here, selector here, doesn't really work. So we have it on the feet right now, and we're getting all the air up here and some on the feet, but we have in the upper vents and at the feet. So if we were to change it, let's just say to feet and defrost. Okay. Oops. Nothing is coming out of here. So the defrost is not working. We can change it to feet only, and it's still not working. It's still in the same position. So when that happens, normally you have a bad mode door actuator, which in this case is going to be right here, right there, that part. We already got the new one right here. This is what it looks like. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it out and then see how it's supposed to work. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are back with the Buick, and we have already installed our new part, as you may be able to tell. And I realized I had to disconnect it earlier, but that's because I was going to change it, and then I decided to document it. So now once you choose your whatchamacallit here, see, now you can actually see the little thing moving right there. See, I calibrated the actuators too using my scan tool. Sometimes you have to do that, and as you can see, now it actually moves. Before it wasn't doing anything. So if you notice that it was disconnected, yes it was, and that's because I was going to change it. So let's put this back to the face here. All right, we got all our air. Do I have this in the max? No, I don't. Okay, I do now. All right, see, no air coming out through here, no air coming out through up here. So now we're gonna put it at the feet, and all the air is coming out through here. Okay, we do have a little bit coming out through here, but that's normal. Nothing coming out through here, or very little, but over here that's normal. So there you have it. If you have a vehicle, now this is a Buick, but just about all vehicles are the same. They have these little motors now. If you have a situation where you can't change the mode from the feet to the face to the, what do you call that, defrost, or whatever the combination thereof, chances are one of those little motors have gone bad. Some of the older cars use a vacuum operated system, which is a whole different kind of worms, but these newer cars, most of them have those electric actuators. So I hope this video helped you guys. Please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for all your support. We'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.